Here's how to make your Instagram threads profile private. So if you created a public profile in threads, now you want to convert your public profile to a private profile. Just follow me to do it. Open your threads app, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, tap on this menu option at the top right corner, tap on privacy, and you will get the private profile option here. So to make your threads profile private, just toggle this switch on. And note one thing, after making your account private, only approved followers will be able to see and interact with your content. Tap on OK. And now your threads profile is private. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.